Hey everybody, Bonnie the chef here. So today we will just be making a salad. So I actually need to open up the fridge again and get some stuff. We're gonna be making some salad, and so we're gonna get over here. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make some stuff. So what you're gonna need is a knife. So I'm gonna sharpen it. So when you have your knife, make sure you have an adult with you. You will need a big knife like this one. Just grab your tomatoes. You're only going to need one. You're going to take one. We're going to do the same thing I said last video. Cut it like this. So when we're doing this, again, try to be as still as you can. Not mess up while you're cutting, just like that. And then you're going to take your dicing thingy, and you're just going to squish it. Alright, once you've done that, just take your tomatoes and take everything out. That was loud. And just pour everything into one of your bowls. If you have a bowl. I'm pretty sure you have a bowl. I mean, lots of people have bowls. Hopefully. Because bowls are important. And so, once you're done with that, you're going to put this aside because you don't need that right now. And so what you're going to do next, you're going to take an avocado. So what you're going to do, we're going to cut it in half, like this. So once you're done cutting that, you can open it, like this. What you're going to do, you're going to do that, twist it, pull it out. What you're going to do next, you're going to take your knife. Don't cut the skin, because then it'll be harder. Just do that. And so what you're going to do next, you're going to take another bowl and going to place it in there. It's all going to come together. It's your destiny to be eaten. What you're going to do next, you're just going to put this aside. What you're going to need, oh, that's my dog barking. Ignore that. What you're going to need is a knife. Before you cut everything, cut off like about here. Cut this. Throw it away. You don't need it. And just cut it all the way. Whatever you can. Don't need it. I was hungry. I was saving it for this, so we can enjoy it together. Together. I watch too many musicals. Alright. You're good. Put it inside your... We're gonna take your peppers. You're gonna take your big knife. You're gonna do this. You're gonna cut it. Up to here should be fine. You're gonna take out all the pepper seeds. What you're gonna do next, you're gonna place them in your diced dice, and then same thing like the tomatoes. Just gonna, dice the diciness out of them. Just so I'm gonna take this and this, just pour it in there. You can take the peppers, take the peppers that you have. It's cold, dude. Dice your peppers. And so, be careful when you're dicing because it is very sharp. Out of everyone in the world, me. I'm gonna dice it again. It doesn't really matter if you get them mixed up. Just dice it. I'm a little offended by the cutter. Are you serious? Like legit? Do you really hate me? I'm getting mad, dude. But don't be mad. Be glad, because you will get to have food that is good for you. And so you can use the colorful peppers for decoration. Pour it in. Don't spill it anywhere. It smells really, really good. So you're gonna need your cucumber. And so just rinse it, then just cut away. And again, adult, because you could cut yourself. That's enough. So I love cucumbers. It's one of my favorite foods. So you can just pick this up and just toss it right inside. So your salad should start looking a bit like this. And have you noticed it's all green? Oh! So next we're going to do the vinaigrette. So you're going to need your balsamic vinegar and olive oil. And so we're going to do 3/4 of a cup. Just put 3 of these. That may seem like a lot, and that is a lot. Don't judge me. You probably are judging me. You don't. May be going like, Matty, why are you saying that we're judging you? I don't know why I'm saying that. Why am I saying that? And you are going to need your balsamic vinegar. Oh, is this closed? Yes, this is closed. Ha ha ha. You can open it like that. Take off the lid. Oh no. I need like a grip, dude. Like legit, I'm weak. Alright, actually I saw something that could help me. If this doesn't work, I don't know what will. Alright, so you're gonna need 1/4 of a cup, and you're just gonna pour it straight in. Whoa! And you will get a pretty cool effect when you pour it in. The balsamic vinegar is just gonna go like straight to the bottom. So grab a fork and a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Just go like this. Ooh, too much. And like that. Mix it around until it's like this, just like eggs. Should sort of look like this. Take a spoon and drizzle it on. Put as much as you want. Just do this around and just drizzle and drizzle for a bit. Just do that. And then take your salad mixers, toss it around like this, and just fold around and just do a good job. And I just spilled some. Don't spill your food. Oh. And you're gonna do that. And now we're ready to serve. What you're gonna need is your plate. Take this. I just did that to be fancy. And so you're gonna take a scoop or how much you want, and then just plop it in there. Again, I made a mess as I'm trying to be fancy. Then you're just gonna take a little bit of tomato and some pepper that you had done, and then some avocado, some feta cheese that you probably have forgotten about, just a little bit. It's just a little bit like that. And take some of your carved chicken breast. Take a little bit of that. Just make sure it's good. Alright, it's good. A little bit of that. So you should be fine. Guess who got away? This I will devour you later. Take some honey roasted sliced almonds with cranberries. You can use any almonds. I'm just gonna take some of that. Yes. Put it on. I gotta taste test it first, you know? And this is how you make a delicious salad. The recipe will be in the description below. Like and subscribe, please, to join the kitchen crew. And comment down below what you want me to make next or whatever. I'm gonna go eat this. Alright, peace. Enjoy, fellow sister. It's food.
That's really good.
Oh, you should try some cucumber.
I approve.
Done, done.
Don't drop the salad.
Just try, please. Watch my other video.
Have some more.
Of course. Of course. That's proper grammar. Of curry.